This video explains the key features of the Goals module. It is intended to assist the users in entering and analyzing their future financial goals that they want to achieve. So let's start by hitting the Goals icon in the menu. The screen actually shows the summary of the financial goals entered. Since we haven't added any, let's try and add a few goals and see how they are analyzed. Click the Add New button. Here you see various heads under which we have classified some common financial goals. Select the goal which you want to enter. All the fields with asterisk mark are mandatory. Let's first walk through a goal which needs a one-time payment like home loan. First, you need to give the goal a name. Suppose let's call it a new home at Hyderabad. Next, you need to set the priority of the goal out of all the goals you have. The priority set by you tells us the order of importance in which they need to be addressed. No two goals can have the same priority number. Goal year and goal month specifies the time at which you want the goal to be achieved. Amount needed, as the name says, it is used to record the total amount you need for the goal. If you wish to take a percentage of the amount needed as a loan, it can be entered in the percentage of loan column field. The creation date is used to calculate the years in goal, which help in determining the amount we need to save on a monthly or yearly basis. Once you hit the submit button, you will see the calculated value of total fund you need in order to achieve the goal. Let's now see the difference between a goal which needs recurring cash flow and the one with one time. The one only added field for this goal of recurring type is years in goal. This field is used to record the number of years for which you want the cash flow. The amount needed in this case should be the amount you need to generate every year across the duration. If the amount varies on a yearly basis, enter the average amount per year. If you have a goal other than the specified goals you see in the menu, you can click on the new goal icon and define the goal. The fields vary based on the type of goal, whether it's one time or recurring. Once you have entered the goals, this is where you see the summary of your goals. You can either edit or delete the goals. To edit any goal previously entered, click on the edit icon in the actions menu. You can make the required changes and submit it for assessment. To delete a previously entered goal, select the goal or goals you want to delete and click the delete icon.